Hey everybody, we're Sean and Morgan from Charleston Crafted, and today we're going to talk to you about the Dremel Versa. It's a very versatile cleaning tool.
This is the tool that we use to power clean our kitchen. So if you have deep set stains, spills, or messes, here's how you can put power tools to use with their special attachments to clean your kitchen. Let's do it.
This is the Dremel Versa with the Scour pad attachment. The Scour pad is perfect for cleaning stove burners and oven racks. You can see this is the grill from our gas stove. Just wet the pad, add a little dish soap, and go ahead and scrub it perfectly clean. It's so much easier than hitting it with a brush or even steel wool. The kitchen brush attachment is perfect for cleaning glasses, bottles, mugs, pots and pans, and dishes. Just squirt in soap and water and clean. I had a really stained mug and I was able to get it completely clean. The detail brush attachment was designed to clean grout and crevices and nooks and crannies on hard surfaces. We used it to clean our drying rack, which has these little ridges that I can never get clean with a sponge.
We hope this inspired you guys to get out there and power clean your kitchen. The Dremel Versa and lots of other attachments just like these are available at the Home Depot.
Good luck! Tag us if you clean your kitchen with the Dremel Versa. We'd love to see it.